The Lighthouse for the Blind Incorporated logo. Several Lighthouse machinists and production employees manufacturing products.
The products and services we provide to our customer really offers a win-win situation for both of us. They get high-quality products, on-time delivery, and competitive price point. And at the same time, they know that every product they purchase from us goes to create jobs for people who are blind or deafblind. My name is Benjamin Fry. I'm the Operations Planning and Analysis Manager here at the Lighthouse for the Blind Incorporated. The Lighthouse for the Blind now has 3 manufacturing locations. The headquarters here in Seattle, Washington. We have another facility in Spokane, Washington, and we opened our latest manufacturing facility in Summerville, South Carolina. In addition, we have base supply centers, which are retail stores on military bases throughout the country. We also offer services such as our contract management services down in San Diego, California. In addition to providing employment opportunities, the Lighthouse offers a wide range of programs and services for employees who are blind and deafblind. We have computer training classes, Braille courses, our acclaimed DeafBlind retreat, and DeafBlind community classes, as well as a program to educate elementary school students about blindness.
Historical Lighthouse photos and film.
The Lighthouse headquarters here in Seattle, Washington has been serving the community since 1918. They started as a social organization helping blinded veterans returning from World War I, and eventually the mission progressed into creating opportunities for employment. When the Lighthouse first started manufacturing, they did products such as brooms, caning chairs, weaving baskets, and they would do this manufacturing during the day, and then in the evening they would go door to door around the community to sell these products to sustain these jobs. In 1952, the Lighthouse here in Seattle was able to partner with a local aerospace manufacturer and begin to manufacture complex parts for the aerospace industry. In addition, the Lighthouse benefited greatly from the Javits-Wagner-O'Day Act passed by the U.S. Congress, also known as the Ability One program. This program provides companies like ours the opportunity to bid on government contracts as long as we can offer the same quality, on-time delivery, and a competitive price point as those in the market. We can compete and potentially win these contracts. Now we have 470 employees working at our facilities throughout the country, over 260 of whom are blind, deafblind, or blind with other disabilities. We have employees who are blind throughout all aspects of our organization, from machinists to purchasers, and even including our president and CEO.
President and CEO George Abbott at his desk.
The Lighthouse has state-of-the-art multi-access computer numerically controlled machines offering advanced milling, routing, and lathe work in addition to fabrication services. Our capabilities include conventional and CNC machining, hydroform machining, conventional and CNC shearing, metal fabrication, non-metallic machining, brake form, conventional and CNC turning, and sawing. We primarily focus in sheet metal, titanium, aluminum, and non-metallics. The ground floor of our Seattle facility is our machine shop, where we have routers, mills, lathes. We also have our quality and inspection center. We have computer numerically controlled machines, as well as manual conventional machines. We also have our phenolics and non-metallic machining area. We have a quality area in-house adapted with the latest technology, including coordinate measuring machines. We have Instron machines that allow us to tensile test as well as pressure test our products. Accessibility is very important to what we do here at the Lighthouse. It enables our employees who are blind to have every opportunity to succeed in their jobs. We have accessibility throughout all aspects of the organization here at the Lighthouse, from tactile lines for wayfinding purposes to voice and braille output on machinery, as well as large print and high contrast for those who have low vision. Because of the features we've adapted for our machines, both in accessibility and technology, an employee who is blind or low vision is able to set up a job in 10 minutes or less, which is impressive for any manufacturing organization. Next, we'll visit our injection mold department in the Annex building, where Todd will tell you more about our capabilities there.
Todd stands and speaks in the injection mold shop.
I'm Todd Vernias. I'm the Senior Lead Process Technician here at Lighthouse for the Blind. We currently have 13 employees working in the injection mold shop, day and swing shift. On an average, we mold around 50 to 60,000 parts per month in the injection molded area. We currently have 11 molding machines, ranging from 75 tons to 550 tons. This allows us to run parts as small as 5 grams up to 6 pounds. We use ABS, polystyrene, Delrin, polycarbonate, nylon, polypropylene, and if needed, we can run high-temp materials such as Ultem, PEEK, and polysulfone. As you can see, we have aisle indicators for our blind and deafblind employees. This way, they can find out which machine they're at in the shop. We also have tensive barriers, so the blind employee can follow this as they're walking. They can use the actual barrier to follow where they're going. In the mold shop, all of our staff and our workers are blind and deafblind, so it's very, very important to us to make sure that our shop is clean of any plastic on the floor and keeping it very clean so everyone can move around and be safe. We currently can change a mold out in less than 2 hours. When I first started working here, that was around 12 hours. So we've definitely improved leaps and bounds here in the mold shop.
Upstairs from injection molding, we have our defense assembly where we assemble products from parts that we produce in-house, including those that we radio frequency weld and injection mold, in addition to some parts sourced from other blindness agencies throughout the country. We also do kitting and packaging. On behalf of all the employees at the Lighthouse, I'd like to thank you for joining our tour today. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope you come away with a new insight on the capabilities of people who are blind, deafblind, and blind with other disabilities.
The Lighthouse for the Blind Incorporated logo.